Let me show you how you guys can fix ChatGPT can't access. Now, the reason you're going to get this error is because if you're asking ChatGPT to access a data which it does not have access to, it's going to show you this error. In that case, you either have to provide the API key or basically access to the data of whatever thing you're asking for, and then it's going to read the data and provide you that info. But if you can't provide the API key for that particular thing or the data for whatever like you're asking for, you cannot fix this issue. Now, sometimes you normally also get this error if your Wi-Fi is slow and it cannot search properly, so it causes lag in getting the data, so it causes can't and it shows can't access. In that case, just connect to a stronger internet. Another thing, make sure your ChatGPT is up to date, like update your app. And the final thing you can do, it works for some people, it doesn't. You can just delete the app, re-download it again. Sometimes a simple bug causes the issue, so doing this fixes it sometimes, so you can give it a try. But most of the time, if you're asking for some kind of data, you need to provide it the API for that particular website domain, or you need to provide the file that contains that particular data, so it can scan it. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.